Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So uMusamseleku posts these picters of Usingabako looking super cute, and he puts a caption written, "Guess who is this? This family needs you." Yo guys, people did not take this lightly. The comment section underneath these pictures were just like a whole lot of negativity. Someone saying, so sekuzoposta umntwana wakhe kuphela ngoba uvuma nonsense. Speaking about Utirelo, obviously Singabako is Utirelo and Usibindi's child. And then someone saying, Musa ukuba umzali ongenaqiniso, Musa ukungena izinto zikaMpumelele, yiba ubaba oqotho, uzithande zonke izingane. Kodwa yikho umpumelelo enje, imfundiso yakho imbi. Yo? Someone saying niyapretendana, so Vuyo's marriage went straight to the whole family. Another person also saying, ubonile ushadile uVuyokazi and Zulu will be erased in America. Now guys, the comments are endless and they're going on and on. People just basically saying that Babumselego aranaqiniso, and people saying this thing that you are starting, which is bringing division amongst your kids, you've started it and now you are bringing division amongst your grandkids. It is not going to end well. This home that you are trying to build is not going to stand with the division that you're bringing along. People were just not happy because he posted Inganga Tirelo, and obviously Tirelo and Umpumelelo are still very much together. I don't know, you guys. I'm just like, he can't even post an innocent picture. Maybe it's in the caption, in him saying, "We need you." But I guess that's the life of Kwamseleku. Anything he says, like, I feel like he could have put in, even if he put Unzulu, which is Uvuyokazi's son, and he wrote a caption, then Utirelo's fans would have came and said something. So I feel like he's always going to be in a position where people are going to say he's picking and choosing and whatnot. Now, Musamseleku has been very adamant in the way he treats his children. We have all seen it, like it looks like there's favoritism. The girls are not treated the same as the boys. So even amongst these grandchildren, you can see there's certain grandchildren that are loved above the other grandchildren. And even amongst the ones who are loved, it looks like the ones who are boys are the ones who are favored amongst the girl. And even amongst, like, I see what people are saying, but I'm just like, yo, guys, for you guys, or for some people to be typing all of that, like Arasabi, like to write all of that. But anyway, I didn't see him respond to any comment. The only person that I saw liked a few comments there and there is Umpumelelo, because Umpumelelo is always in the comment section. But yeah, guys, people are basically coming for him for, like choosing Utirelo's son and apparently Unzulu. Another thing, guys, Unzulu hardly grew up Kwamseleku. Unzulu actually did not grow up Kwamseleku. It's Umhlopokazi who grew up Kwamseleku. So I even feel like now that Uvuyokazi is married, Unzulu might not have as a close enough relationship with his family Kwamseleku as opposed to Mhlopekazi and the other children, because he didn't get an opportunity to really stay there. Usingabako, I guess, maybe he regularly visits there or something. I don't know, you guys, and this is going to be interesting to see next year and the upcoming years of what's going to be what. But hey, guys, tell me what you guys think. Do you see the same thing that people are saying? Or do you feel like sometimes people want to take, because someone said in the comment section, some people want to take their baby daddy issues and then they want to put it on Umselegu. So do you feel the same, or do you feel like people will always have something to say, regardless of what Umusa does? Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.